welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video guys, may panibagong makeup look na naman tayong gagawin, and this makeup look is going to be the Asian baby girl makeup look. And yun, madami ako nakikita sa YouTube na gumagawa or nata-transform into a Asian baby girl. So I've decided to do it also. Parang kilala siya as ABG or also Asian baby girl or Asian baby gangster. Is yung mga mahilig sa milk tea, yung mga may boba, tapos yung mga look nila super ganda, bad girl look, mga ganun. So, ayun, nag-decide lang ako na mag-transform into that. And also, may nakita din ako nag-request na to sa comment section ng video ko. Hindi ko lang matandaan kung ano. So, yun, I've decided to do it na din. So, yeah guys, if you're interested in watching this kind of video, or if you're interested malaman kung ano itsura ko if I transform into ABG, just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed. Click the post notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I post a video here on my channel. Comment down below any video suggestion, guys, kahit anong video man yan, kung prank, challenges, or anything. Just comment down below, mukbang or what and everything. Basta kahit kayo bahala. Mag-comment below kayo kung ano gusto nyong gawin ko sa next video ko. So, ayun guys. Without further ado, let's get on to the video. Also guys, in this video, hindi muna ako magsasalita, but I'll be putting some label dito sa screen na lang kung ano mga gagawin ko. So, yeah guys, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Hope you enjoy it! Ang ganda ng kinalabasan, especially the eye makeup.